I like to call it hepatitis.
Ooh.
To make something to eat, yeah. So we have to work with. Wow, there's like literally nothing in here. This is setting. I have ground beef. Let's see if we have some poker face. Nah. Oh, this is literally like there's nothing in here. OMG. I guess I can have some mighty mango, make some kombucha. Okay, you know what?
Spaghetti.
We will make spaghetti. Let's go make some spaghetti. I've already got some noodles, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh, these are on. Lights on, lights off. So we can either make some beef with some brown rice add, or we can make it with some of this pasta. Some pasta last. Ooh. Do we even have pasta sauce? I swear. That's gonna make me really upset. Smell my teeth. You know, that was like a little TikTok trend or whatever you wanna call it. Okay. Anyways. Bingo. Pasta sauce. Now listen. All the meat and stuff that I eat.
That's what she said.
It's all organic, free range, all that kind of stuff. That's how I eat nowadays. I used to never eat like this. Anyways, I guess you guys don't even care about that. Get to cooking. OMG. It's a bag of pretzels. The salt is flying out of these pretzels. She's shaking like a red nose. That's good. We're gonna do a POV. You're gonna act like a snack, and I'm gonna be the one looking for you. Ready? There you go. I know. Very cringe. That's what it is.
Spaghetti.
I don't know why I'm eating pretzels before I make it. They're really good. Clam cheese. And now I'm trying to set up this ring light, but you're trying to get those angles. I'm a tall dude, y'all. I'm like 6'4", so I need that stupid thing up as high as it can go. Otherwise, I'm gonna be bending down the whole time.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna get a camera soon. That's my toe. You know what? Hey. Hi, my name is Garry. Slide that hoe in. Cook now. We're gonna turn it this way though. Okay, cool. Beef. Whole wheat spaghetti. The sauce. Some of you guys don't know how to make food. Hot bun here, I'm gonna use this and turn it into like garlic bread. Some of you guys don't know how to cook, and it's kind of sad. Especially all my fellas out there. This is how it looks like. It's not me watching Olivia. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. Watching Olivia make some food. Olivia Roye. Yes, let's get started. Thing to have, medium heat. I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin, just like me. Somebody made this of me on TikTok. It was so dope. I just want to make more drawings. I love them. Appreciate it. Got our $7 pack of beef. Our extra virgin. Our spaghetti. We're gonna make garlic bread out of these buns, little hot buns, and then some tomato sauce, some salt and pepper. Okay, honestly, I don't like using iodized salt, so yeah. I usually recommend pink Himalayan salt or tree salt. Got our onion and garlic powders. F that salt. It's totally saturated. Come here. Come here real close. This is a secret ingredient. This is mesquite liquid smoke. If you ever want to make your own barbecue sauce, ASMR level. Now, if you guys want to make your own barbecue sauce, you guys want to add a little extra flavor, a little extra kick, highly recommend this. The depth is going to get that hickory smoke flavor. I got my olive oil in the pan, warming up like these. Okay. I actually know how to cook. That's the crazy thing. Paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, cumin too. This is not an episode of The Office, so we're not gonna keep saying that's what she said, even though. So we're gonna put water in here for our spaghetti noodles. We're going to put it in for our spaghetti noodles. Fill up your pot like halfway. Let's just say that. Let's call that the metric. Put a little bit of salt in your water while it's boiling fulls. It helps like with the noodles or something. I forget. What's wrong with this thing? You're trying to boil the water, so you don't want it halfway. You want it like, you know, higher. I'm getting bootleg tonight because I don't want to wash this effing spatula. I'm gonna cook the whole bag. Or cook all this too, whatever's left. Want to see inside my box? Okay, so now also my hair is like halfway twisted right now, but let's go. I know you guys are curious. I know you guys are curious. I almost spilled the whole entire box of noodles on the floor. Cleaned up the wrong pot this whole time. The wrong eye. Ugh. Alright, pro tips. Break your noodles. On the pull the lever crop. Y'all better not call me the pasta roster. That's what the noodles looking like so far. What the heck? Okay, for real. Let's get this meat made up. It's an aggressive pack of beef. Successful. How's it feeling? Successful. Alright. Okay, we're gonna chop up this beef now. It's a full pot, baby. We got 90-10 organic grass-fed beef, and like the reason I started eating better like this, at least here, is because like I've eaten like regular just beef so many times. I'm like, bro, what's the hype all about with this? But every time I eat like grass-fed organic beef and stuff like that, I can taste the difference, honestly, for me at least. Oh my gosh, I'll be out of pepper, bro. We really have nothing in this house. 20 shots fresh. Cheese and salt. Now we're gonna go ahead and douse it in some garlic powder. Honestly, if you have any of these ingredients, the actual raw like garlic or actual onion, which I don't have today because we don't have anything in this house, I highly recommend go ahead and doing this. Our cumin in. You won't be too crazy with the cumin because cumin is a very strong seasoning, so like you'll be able to taste this pretty easily. Go ahead and add some cayenne pepper, some sweet pepper. We've added our seasonings in there. We're gonna wait to add our little secret ingredient and let this beef cook up. We're gonna go ahead and check our noodles. Okay, so it's gonna cook down somewhere. And we'll twirl our noodles here soon. I think another pro tip, I think you can add a little olive oil inside the water. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's try it, right? Cheers. What do you guys think about this TikTok ban thing? If it's just like still relevant, TikTok. Right now I'm at 21,200 on there. But eventually I know that I'm gonna hit 500,000 by the end of this month of August. Mark my words, I'm about to work so hard for it, I promise you. I'm gonna put so much content, so much work out, including here on YouTube as well. So another secret ingredient I like to add is you're gonna add some parsley in there. We'll add a little bit of oregano though. Here, that'd be cool. Now we got some baby scott. We're not making garlic bread, we don't have anything. So, delicious toast. Listen, right now I'm thinking about getting some new tattoos. I'm not sure which tattoos to get though, or where I want them, so it's probably gonna take a long time to make up in my mind. I'm gonna be really smart because I just got a huge blessing. So I'm actually gonna be upgrading my workspace. I'm gonna be getting a new monitor, and some aesthetic stuff, a new desk, new chair, all that stuff to increase my production. Like, so whenever I actually want to, like when I actually make a video, I'll be able to sit down and really go to work and feel good about doing that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna definitely be upgrading that, and I'm gonna get a camera too. I'm not sure which camera to get yet though. Really affordable. Like I don't really want to spend more than like $500 right now, but if I'm really committed to this YouTube thing, I might just go for it. Okay, I think the top of the line camera that most YouTubers use is like $700 or something, which honestly isn't that much for me, but at the same time, I was like, damn, bro, you that committed or what? So I think I am. So I'm gonna definitely just go ahead and handle that, do that thing, step up the game, and really go hard on this, man. It's easy to get lost in the sauce. No pun intended. But like, stay focused, man. Stay focused on your dreams, your goals, and your ambitions. Like, make it happen. So if you don't believe in you, who else will? You know what I'm saying? So I actually made a vlog today. We just drained the fat and everything, so now it's time to get into the good stuff. All the meat is cooked, that's what she said. And any meat that gets in here is gonna get cooked by the water. Perfect. Okay, now we gotta add our secret ingredient here to the beef. And your splishy splash. A little brown sugar. Especially when guys, I'm telling you, I applied for Love Island. Yes, sir. Yes, baby. I'm also gonna have to do something I've never done before. Let's just put sour cream in my beef and stuff. Usually I add cream cheese because I love cream cheese that much. I add this sauce in here now. While we have this on a low boil. Add a little pasta sauce. I don't like going too heavy. You can always add more you can't take out. So now we're gonna go ahead and just put our, so yeah, I want some more sauce in this. So now we're gonna add a little bit more pasta rasta sauce. Pop. A little bit of something, you know what I'm saying? A little something slight. Okay, we're adding these noodles in. Stupid, I always do that. I mean, add it the other way, y'all. Hold on. Put the meat into the. Now it's time to plate it. It'll be nice and ready, and then we're just gonna butter it up. So let's do this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me get the butter. Bro, all I have is this stupid. I don't have any regular cheese. Usually I would top this off with some cheese, but I just got regular right now. Here are my buns. Here is the finished product, y'all. Good. Y'all want a bite? I hope it tastes good. Of course it tastes good. And if I had cheese, it'd be even that much better. But yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy this food. I'm gonna edit the video you're watching right now, and also the other video I made today, the vlog I did. It was real quick. But we're going to make that. I'm gonna continue eating this bad boy, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. As promised, I'm gonna do my best to make 2 videos a day. So be ready for those. Be on the lookout. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, hello. With that being said, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.